Alright, so I have a gravelly lawnmower. It's the HD version, 52-inch X Factor, and with a Kawasaki engine. And I have a trailer that I need to pull all the way around my house. From here, and because I have a metal shed, it's every 4 feet, so the trailer can't fit through this way. So I have to take it all the way around my house to the front, where I have to pull it. So what I decided to do was to get a hitch for it. Right, so I picked this up. I think I went to Gravelly's website, and this was shipped to me. I think it was like $70 or $80, and it's pretty thick steel. And I was able to install it. You need spanners on either end. I think it was 17 or 19 millimeters. Right, and it was a very tight fit, so you need to really, one person needs to hold on this end and the other one on the other end to snug it in. The holes were pre-existing, the 4 holes, and this actually shipped from Ariens. Which makes me think Gravelly and Ariens are probably the same manufacturer, so I guess they have parts that could work together. And then I just purchased a hitch from Amazon, a Kurt trailer ball with a 3/4 inch shaft. And this opening here was a bit too small, so I used a progressive bit, one of those step bits, and made it a bit larger, and then I was able to put this on. So I'm going to use this to pull the trailer around the house, and then I'm going to put the trailer on my vehicle, and then I'm going to put my lawnmower on the vehicle, on the trailer. So that's the plan. So I just wanted to show you the trailer hitch, or the hitch. It does have weight limits over there. Right, I'm pretty sure I will not exceed that because I'm just pulling an empty trailer. So I think it should be fine. I'm just going to warm up the engine pretty warm before I start pulling it. And that's it. So I just wanted to show you the hitch. And if you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.